I think I noticed that. Off-road channel. Well, there's not much gas in this. Tighten the chain without gloves. If I strategically cut over here, stuff that's already fallen, and stack it for that bridge, that's a good start. All right. '20s right. '14 plus 6, it would work. Cut all the branches off. Placed above its target. 10 feet. Oh. 18. So we definitely have enough wood for one side of the roof. Start counting these 2x4s and which one's gotta go. Good. Good. Probably like 7 full 2x4s. Can frame this door, this window. I wouldn't want to bring it all down here until I had enough wood collected for this side also, and the tarp, and close it in on the sides the best we can. And before I bring all this stuff, I also want to replace the 2. This one's got to go. So 2, 3, 112 and what, 3 12-foot logs, all the 2x4s. We have enough wood for one side. It's 10 by 18. We need one more side of roof. We have a bunch of walls. God damn on the rig. Good thing I noticed that. Damn. Off-road channel. My boot just got destroyed. It actually didn't have that outer hose clamp on this side, so it just slipped off. Lucky me, dude. Gonna build a new kicker. I gotta fix this brake. Huh? I'm used to riding with Merrills, so with boots on, it's way too low.
It's a lot more open.
Yeah, I came and I fucking went in the front and then I started clearing out the back. Made my way this way a little bit, cleared out the back, then I cleared out like over here. But a couple people helped with that one, you know. On that side, some trees, and we gotta drag them here. And I wanna make it as wide as a truck, and I'm gonna put legs under it probably. Holy, I'm thinking like 10 people, dude. Talked them into trying. We're definitely gonna need more people though. Definitely for sure,
Bro,
probably.
there's no way.
Did a little get under it. No way.
There's no way, dude. We're not.
I hate when it's kind of deep. Yeah.